Kia ora koutou katoa. Nau mai hoki mai ki Pukeroa Pāoho.
We're already into another exciting week here at Rotorua Primary, and there's a lot happening around our kura.
From fundraising and fishing to visitors from the islands, this week's episode is packed full of awesome stories.
We're starting off with the Senior Sausage Sizzle fundraiser, which kicked off this week.
What is your name?
My name is Ali Padidi.
And what are you guys doing today?
We're selling sausages.
Is this a fundraise?
Yeah, it's a fundraise to help all the helpers that want to come to camp and look after tamariki.
And how much are you guys wanting to make today?
Just enough for them to come, manaki, help us. Yeah.
Nice. Thank you very much. Hi, what is your name?
Hi, I'm DJ.
And what are you guys doing here today?
We're fundraising for Camp Sausage.
Students will be running Sausage Sizzle every week to help raise money for parent helpers who will be attending senior camp. Big thanks to everyone who's been buying sausages and helping out. Every sizzle helps our senior team get closer to their goal.
Bucket! What a great day to bring our kura together and support a good cause.
Next up, we're heading out to the lake with our Year 5 and 6 Ropu, who took part in an awesome program called
Catfish Killers. Catfish are a pest species in our local lakes, and Te Aroha Lakes Trust has been working with schools to help reduce this problem.
That looked like such fun and an important experience helping our lakes stay healthy while learning about our environment.
Ngā mihi nui to Te Aroha Lakes Trust for giving our students the chance to be part of such hands-on, meaningful project. And to finish this week's episode, we had a special visit from a group of students and teachers from St. Joseph's Catholic Primary School in Rarotonga.
They came to spend the day here with us at Rotorua Primary School, sharing songs, stories, and lots of smiles. It was such a cool way to connect and celebrate culture.
was awesome having our friends from Rarotonga here. Thank you for visiting and bringing so much joy and energy to our kura.
We had an amazing time here in Aotearoa and hope you take some amazing memories home from Rotorua.
What a fantastical week, full of action, learning and connections.
A huge mihi to everyone who took part in our stories and to all of you watching and supporting Pukeroa Pāoho.
Don't forget to like,
Subscribe
and share our channel so more of our whānau and community can stay connected with Rotorua Primary.
Mauri ora ki pai tō koutou.
And we'll see you next week!